How to add friends in Hamster Combat. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Hamster Combat. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's head to the friends option in the app. You can see here I haven't invited anyone yet and it shows a 0 in the friends list. So to complete this mission, you need to invite someone. Here's how. There are two ways to share the invite link. Option 1. Click the invite friend button to directly share the link. Option 2. Copy the invite link manually. In this example, I'm going to copy the invite link. After copying, you need to share this link with your friends. I'm sharing mine on WhatsApp with my other number. Now, let's switch to the other phone where I shared the invite link. When the link is clicked, it opens the game or app, in this case, Hamster Combat. You can see the new account is created and we follow the simple setup process and the account is ready. After setting up the new account on the other phone, I go back to my main phone. I press play and you can see the invitation has been registered. Now we proceed to the next steps. Next, we go to the daily combo section and now the security team and two-factor authentication options which were initially locked are now open for us. This means the invite mission has been successfully completed. To unlock these features, you must reach a certain level like level 13. Once you reach that level, the mission is complete and everything will unlock automatically. The purpose of this video was to show you how to complete the invitation mission as many people were having issues. Just follow the steps I've shown and you'll be able to finish the mission easily. That's all for the video.